Put on the full armor of God, stand firm against the dark and flawed. Our battle's not against the flesh, but against the powers of darkness in a constant clash. Be strong in the Lord, in His mighty might. With His armor we'll win the fight. Our struggle goes not with those we see, but with forces of evil trying to deceive. Against rulers and authorities in this darkened place, we fight with the strength of God.